Soap pillow wrapper machine and Cartoner machine linkage line is suitable for pillow packing and cartoning of soap and odor products. The linkage line adopts PLC, inverter, servo motor, rotary encoder, photoelectric sensor control, touch screen display, advanced control, reduced labor, high efficiency and stable performance. Soap pillow wrapper machine use 3 sets servo motor control. Bag length can be set and cut precisely, saving time and film. The machine have fault detecting, which is shown on the screen, and use import brand photoelectric sensor track color mark high sensitive. No need to set the length of bag, intelligent cutting length. The machine have side sealing by hub, much higher speed. The conveyor of this machine is stainless steel to meet safety. Soap Cartoner machine use PLC control, and photoelectric kitty monitors the actions of various parts, and if there is an abnormality during operation, it can automatically stop and display the reason, so as to eliminate the fault in time. The machine has multiple detection and rejection systems. The soap and the carton are all detected by sensors, and then output after the batch number is printed and the box is sealed. In the process of testing, waste products, no soap bad are found out at the exit to ensure that the product quality fully meets the qualified requirements. The machine has a number of safety protection marks and safety protection plexiglass cover, as well as overload protection and other functions. This linkage line can be with automatic glue spraying machine, cellophane wrapper machine, case packer machine and other machines linkage production. The machine is manual feeding of soap. If you are interested, please contact us.